Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer money from Wise to Bank Account 2026. First, open the Wise app on your device and log in your account. Then, tap the Recipient section. Next, tap on Add a Recipient and choose your preferred currency. In this example, the currency is Euro. After that, select Enter Bank Details and choose the Myself option. You'll then be asked whether your bank account is located inside or outside Europe. Select the option that applies to you. Now enter your full name along with your IBAN, also known as your international bank account number. You can usually find this information in your bank account details. Once everything is entered, tap Confirm to continue. You'll then see a summary of your account information. To complete the transfer, click on Send Money, enter the amount you want to transfer, and tap Continue. Finally, review the details carefully and select Confirm and Send. And that's it. Your money will be transferred from Wise to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.